Oh, finally, fresh air. I feel awake now.
Yes, the weather is nice today. A little windy, but very fresh.
I like mornings like this. It feels calm.
Me too. But you know what I need? Coffee.
Same here. I can't start my day without coffee.
Great. Let's go to the coffee shop nearby.
Perfect idea. Coffee always makes the day better. Wait. Oh no.
What happened? Why do you look worried?
I don't have my wallet.
What? You don't have your wallet?
Yes, I left it in my dorm room.
Seriously, you forgot it inside?
Yes. No wallet, no cash, no card, no coffee.
Daniel, that's a big mistake.
I know. So embarrassing.
So you're saying no wallet today.
Exactly. No wallet today.
Do you want to go back and get it?
It's too far. We are already here.
Then today will be a challenge.
A challenge? What do you mean?
A challenge means something difficult, something hard, but we try.
Like a hard task.
Yes, and today is our challenge. One full day without money.
But how can we survive without cash?
Survive means keep going. It doesn't mean die. It means live one day with no money.
Okay, so survive means continue, not die, just live.
Exactly.
A day without money. Sounds scary, but interesting.
Don't worry. Sometimes challenges become fun memories.
Maybe. Let's see what happens.
It smells so good in here.
Yes, I want coffee so badly, but I have no wallet.
So how will you pay?
Don't worry. I have another way.
Another way? What way?
Watch me.
Do you have secret money?
No, not money. I will use points.
Points? What do you mean?
Every time I buy coffee here, I collect points. After 10 cups, I get one free.
Oh, so points are like free money.
Yes, points are rewards. You don't pay cash, you use points.
So I can ask, can I use my points to pay for a coffee?
Perfect. That's the question.
Okay, then I'll say, I'll have a latte, please.
Nice. It works. See, we can survive without cash.
I like this trick. Invisible money.
Yes, invisible money.
This is amazing. Coffee without cash.
Well, not really free. Remember, I paid before.
Yes, but today it feels free.
It feels like magic money.
Still, I enjoy the taste even more. Wait, do you hear that sound?
Music.
Yes! Look! 2 guitar players and a man with a drum.
Wow, they sound really good.
And look! The kids are dancing!
This is a free concert.
Front row seats. $0.
Front row seats? $0?
Yes, you don't pay. You just enjoy.
Nice. Front row seats. $0. I almost forgot I was hungry.
Music is food for the soul. Let's try something new. Let's go to an open house.
Open house? What is that?
It's free. You just sign your name, no payment. It's free.
Wow, this living room is huge.
Pretend it's your house. Say, this is my living room.
Okay, this is my living room.
Nice! Look at the window. The view is beautiful.
Yes, I can see trees and a garden.
And the kitchen. The kitchen is modern and clean.
The kitchen is modern and clean. I like this game.
Look upstairs. This bedroom is big.
I would say this is my bedroom.
Perfect. And the bathroom looks new.
The bathroom is modern too.
See, we are learning English and enjoying free things.
All this walking makes me hungry.
Perfect timing. Let's try McDonald's.
But I still have no cash.
Don't worry. McDonald's has points too.
Points again?
Yes, every time you buy food in the app, you get points.
So I can ask, can I use my points for a meal?
Perfect. And then say, I'd like a combo, please.
I'd like a combo, please.
Good, but maybe only a small combo. Points are low.
Okay, I'd like a small combo, please.
Excellent. You just saved lunch.
I never thought points could feed us.
Invisible money saves us again. Next stop, IKEA.
IKEA? But I have no cash.
Don't worry. We are not buying, just looking.
So I can say we can't buy anything. We are just looking.
Exactly. That's window shopping.
Window shopping?
It means looking at things but not buying.
Ah, okay. Just looking.
Yes. Try it. Sit on the sofa. Say, this is my sofa.
Haha, this is my sofa.
Good. Zero cash, zero guilt.
I want this bed. Can I say, this is my bed?
Yes, perfect.
I like this free imagination. What a long day.
Yes, but we did it. A whole day without cash.
True. It was possible.
Was it comfortable?
No, not really. But it was funny.
We had coffee with points, lunch with points, free music, an open house, and IKEA window shopping.
Yes, coffee, music, house, food, furniture, all without cash.
So, points saved the day.
Yes, but remember, it was not really free.
Right. Invisible money.
Still, it felt like magic. Zero cash, zero guilt.
For one day, yes. But tomorrow, bring your wallet.
Yes, a day without cash was enough. Lesson learned. Always check my pockets.
Exactly. That's the real challenge.